Imagine this. Super Bowl Sunday, the stadium roars. The excitement is palpable, the energy electric. Fans are on the edge of their seats, anticipating the big game. But what if, instead of the usual football field, something extraordinary happened? But instead of a football field, we see a pizza? Yes, you heard that right. A pizza so enormous it covers the entire field. It's a sight to behold, a culinary marvel that defies imagination. Could we really make a pizza that big? The logistics alone are mind-boggling. Picture a team of chefs, each an expert in their craft, coming together to tackle this monumental task. They'd need to coordinate every step, from preparing the dough to layering the toppings. We're talking 100 yards long, that's the length of an entire football field. Imagine the sheer scale of it. The dough alone would be a massive undertaking, requiring industrial-sized mixers and ovens. That's like lining up 5 school buses. It sounds crazy, right? Let's break it down. Each bus is about 20 yards long, so 5 of them end-to-end would give you an idea of the pizza's length. It's almost unfathomable. Making a pizza this big isn't just about scaling up a recipe, it's about rethinking the entire process. The dough needs to be strong enough to hold its shape, yet flexible enough to be spread over such a vast area. The sauce and toppings must be evenly distributed to ensure every bite is perfect. We're talking serious engineering challenges. Engineers would need to design custom equipment to handle the preparation and baking. They'd have to consider the weight of the pizza, the heat distribution in the oven, and even the logistics of serving it. Think about baking a giant cookie. The principles are similar. When you bake something that large, the edges tend to cook faster than the center. This can lead to uneven baking, with some parts overcooked and others undercooked. The edges burn before the middle is cooked. It's a common problem with large-scale baking. To solve this, you'd need to carefully control the temperature and possibly use multiple heat sources to ensure even cooking. Now imagine that cookie is 100 yards long. The challenges multiply exponentially. But with the right planning, expertise, and a bit of creativity, it might just be possible to create a pizza the size of a football field. It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? First hurdle: heat. Your oven at home can't bake a pizza this size. We need a custom-built oven, maybe even using construction cranes and industrial heaters. Imagine using a giant blowtorch to brown the cheese. Even with a giant oven, heat distribution is tricky. We want the crust crispy, the cheese bubbly, and the toppings cooked just right. Too hot, and the edges burn. Too cool, and the middle stays doughy. We'd need a team of engineers to figure out the perfect heating system. Next up, the dough. We're talking tons and tons of flour, water, and yeast. Mixing that much dough would require industrial-sized mixers, maybe even cement trucks. Think about the largest bread dough you've ever seen, and then multiply that by 1,000. But the real challenge is structural integrity. As the dough rises, it needs to hold its shape. A pizza this big would likely collapse under its own weight. We might need to reinforce it, maybe with edible scaffolding made of breadsticks. And then there's the cheese. We're talking about an ocean of mozzarella. Getting an even distribution would be tough. Imagine trying to spread melted cheese evenly over a tennis court, using only your hands. The perfect cheese pull is crucial. Too much cheese, and it's a gooey mess. Too little, and it's dry and sad. We need just the right amount, evenly distributed, for that perfect Instagram-worthy cheese pull. Section 5. Slicing and dicing, serving up the gridiron grub. Now, how do we slice this monster? Forget pizza cutters. We're talking industrial-sized blades, maybe even lasers. And imagine the logistics of serving it. We'd need an army of servers, maybe even drones airdropping slices to hungry fans. Eating a slice of this pizza would be an experience in itself. You'd need 2 hands, maybe even a fork and knife. It would be less of a slice and more like a giant, cheesy wedge of deliciousness. Section 6. The environmental impact, a pizza footprint. Let's not forget the environmental impact. The ingredients alone, the flour, the tomatoes, the cheese, would require a massive amount of resources. And the energy needed to bake this pizza? We're talking about powering a small town. It's important to consider the waste generated. Leftover pizza on this scale would be a logistical nightmare. We'd need a composting system as big as another football field. Section 7, the price tag, feeding the fans, and the cost. Forget about a few bucks a slice. This pizza would cost a fortune to make. We're talking about the cost of a small house, maybe even more. Feeding a crowd with this pizza would be a logistical and financial challenge. it would be more of a publicity stunt than a practical way to feed people. Section 8. Pizza from the future. Could technology save the day? So, is this giant pizza even possible? The idea of creating a pizza the size of a football field might sound like something out of a science fiction movie. But with the rapid advancements in technology, who knows what the future holds? Engineers and chefs are already collaborating on innovative food projects that push the boundaries of what's possible in the culinary world. With current technology, probably not, but never say never. The skepticism is understandable given the limitations we face today. However, history has shown us that what seems impossible now can become a reality with time and innovation. Just think about how far we've come with food technology in the past few decades. Maybe in the future, with advancements in food technology and engineering, we could make it happen. Imagine 3D printed pizza dough or self-heating pizza boxes. These concepts might seem far-fetched, but they are already in development stages. 3D printing technology has made significant strides, and it's not hard to imagine a future where we can print our food layer by layer, customized to our exact preferences. Until then, we'll have to stick with regular-sized pizzas. There's something comforting about the traditional way of making pizza, with its familiar smells and flavors. The joy of sharing a freshly baked pizza with loved ones is a timeless experience that technology can't replace. But hey, there's no harm in dreaming big, right? Dreaming fuels innovation and creativity. It's the first step towards turning the impossible into the possible. Who knows, maybe one day we'll look back and laugh at how we doubted the feasibility of a giant pizza. After all, pizza is a dish best shared, even if it's not quite the size of a football field. The essence of pizza lies in its ability to bring people together, to create moments of joy and connection. Whether it's a small slice or a giant piece, the magic of pizza remains the same. Section 9. Game day grub, a slice of reality. While a football field-sized pizza is a fun thought experiment, the reality is, it's probably not feasible. Imagine the logistics of creating such a massive pizza. The sheer amount of dough, sauce, cheese, and toppings required would be astronomical. Not to mention, the oven needed to bake it would have to be the size of a small building. The coordination and effort to pull off such a feat would be immense, involving countless hours of planning and execution. The engineering challenges, the resources needed, and the environmental impact are just too great. Engineers would have to design specialized equipment to handle the preparation and cooking of the pizza. The environmental impact of sourcing and transporting the ingredients alone would be significant. Additionally, the energy consumption required to bake such a large pizza would be enormous, raising concerns about sustainability and carbon footprint. But that doesn't mean we can't enjoy a delicious pizza while watching the big game. Pizza has always been a staple of game day celebrations, bringing people together to share in the excitement. Whether it's a classic pepperoni, a veggie delight, or a gourmet creation, there's a pizza for everyone. The joy of biting into a hot, cheesy slice while cheering for your favorite team is an experience like no other. Sometimes, the simpler things in life are the tastiest. A homemade pizza, crafted with love and care, can be just as satisfying as any elaborate creation. The process of making pizza at home can be a fun and rewarding activity, allowing you to experiment with different toppings and flavors. Plus, the aroma of freshly baked pizza wafting through your home is simply irresistible. So this Super Bowl Sunday, instead of dreaming of a pizza the size of the field, gather your friends and family, order your favorite pies, and enjoy the game. Whether you choose to make your own pizza, or order from your favorite pizzeria, the important thing is to savor the moment and the company of those around you. The shared experience of enjoying pizza and football creates lasting memories and strengthens bonds. After all, pizza is all about bringing people together, no matter the size. It's a universal comfort food that transcends cultural and geographical boundaries. The act of sharing a pizza fosters a sense of community and togetherness, making it the perfect companion for any celebration. So let's raise a slice